I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful and simple dessert using the finest Irish berries from M&S. To make the almond paste, beat the butter and the sugar until it's pale in colour. Add the almonds, flour and egg, bring it together until it's a paste. Now it's time for the pastry. Flour your surface and then roll it out until it's about 1 centimetre thick. Trim the edges and then cut it into 4 squares. Now you want to get your fork, prick a couple of holes in the pastry so it doesn't rise. Now spread out that almond paste. There's nothing quite like these M&S Irish strawberries. They're beautiful red colour, perfectly sweet, brilliant for a dish like this. Now you want to bake these in the oven for about 25 minutes until that pastry is golden brown. They look fantastic, but we're not done yet. While the pastry cools, to give it a little bit of extra sweetness and shine, I'm just melting some M&S strawberry jam. So there it is, a delicious dish showing off the highest quality M&S Irish berries.